Hello guys, so in this video I'll basically be talking about the Facebook Business Manager. I'll be showing you how to create one, what it entails, how to even get yours verified, and basically what you need to know about the Facebook Business Manager. Now this is the fourth video in this Facebook ads domination series, okay? And well, if you've been enjoying the video so far and you've been learning something, I would like you to just subscribe to this channel, DM Consulting. I also like you to like this video, share it to your friends that you know would need it. And I'm very happy creating this series because it's basically a series that would just introduce you to Facebook ads and get you to understand what it's about. And at the end of the series, positive that you'll be able to run profitable ads for your business yourself. Okay, so in this video, like I said, I'll be talking about the Facebook business account, or we can call it business manager account, but the basic idea of okay, so like I was saying, in this video, when we're talking about the business manager or the Facebook business account, what we're basically talking about is Facebook has created a platform where you can manage everything that relates to your business on Facebook. What I'm talking about is everything that relates to your business in terms of all your pages, all your ad accounts, everything that every asset that basically relates to your business. Facebook has given us a platform where we can manage everything in one place. Okay, before, if you want to manage your page, you have to go to your Facebook account, then go to your pages section and then manage your page. If you want to manage your your advertisement, you have to go to your ad account and then manage it from there, right? Although we still do that, but then the idea of the business manager is you just have a particular place where you can manage everything together. So there's a section in this business manager where if I want to look at maybe how many likes I've gotten for my page and all, there's a section where I can do that here. There's a section where if I want to monitor the campaigns that I'm running, I can basically check everything right here. So this is the advantage of the business manager. Now in the previous video I talked about ad accounts, okay, but then in this video I'll be talking about the umbrella, which is the business manager. Okay, so your business manager contains everything that relates to your business, all your ad accounts, all your pages and all. Okay, so in the previous video, which was day 3 of the Facebook ads domination series, I basically talked about Facebook creating a default ad account for you. Okay, so but in this video I'll show you how to create a business account, right? So you can create a business account, and then under that business account we can now create an ad account under that business account, right? And this is the ideal way you should actually do it, because Facebook likes people that are advertising to come in the form of a business rather than an individual just trying to sell something. Okay, they actually want you to have a business on their platform, right? So that's the essence of this business manager, where all your ad accounts, all your pages, in fact even your Instagram page, in fact even your WhatsApp accounts, everything connected in one place, and you register it as a business. Okay, so let's say the name of your business is what will I use now? Wigs Accessories. Let's put it that way, Wigs Accessories. That is the name of your business, right? So you can create a business manager account called Wig Accessories. Under that business manager account, you can then create ad accounts so that use for advertising. Okay, you can then create pages so that use to manage and relate with your audience. You can then create an Instagram account where you used to promote your brand on Instagram, and everything will be under this business manager. Now you may be asking the question, what if I already have a Facebook page? What if I already have an Instagram page? Do I have to create new ones under this business manager? No, you don't, right? So the business manager gives you the option to add assets that you have created before, even outside this business account that you created before. You can add them to this business account. Okay, so I believe if you go deeper into the video, you understand what I'm talking about in a very clear fashion, right? So the first thing you want to do whenever you want to start advertising, okay, I said in the last video that Facebook will give you a default ad account, right? And that default ad account is not really advisable for you to just rely on using that one to advertise, okay? But if you're starting out with advertisement, you would only be given the option of using that default ad account that Facebook has given to you to run ads. Then after running ads for several weeks and following the advertising policies, they will now give you the option to open up a business account. So if you are new to advertising, you will probably not have access, to creating a business manager account. But if you have been advertising for a while, then you have the chance to actually create a business manager account. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to do that right now, right? So if you see in my screen here, you see there's a button called create account here, right? So to even go to this page that I'm currently in, to go to this page, all you just need to do is to type in business.facebook.com/overview, right? So once you go to that website, it will appear here. Now if you have not connected your Facebook account to this browser before, they will ask you to connect your Facebook account to this browser, right? All you just have to do is to put in your username, put in your password, and then your Facebook account will be connected. So once you've connected your Facebook account, you can see that mine is already connected here. Your profile picture will show right here, right? So all you need to do next, is to click on this create account button. Click on the create account button, type in the name of your business, type in your own personal name, and type in your email. Okay, if you have a business email, type that in. But if you don't have a business email, you just have a personal email, type that in here. Click on submit. They'll ask you one or two other questions. Okay, they'll ask you to verify it. Like they'll send you a link to your email, and then you'll be asked to verify it. Then once you verify it, your business manager account would have been created. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys some advantages to this business manager account, so you know what I'm talking about exactly. So let me go to my ads manager. Okay, so I'm in my ads manager now. If you click on this this icon at the left and scroll down, you see business settings. Let's click on to business settings, right? So once you go to business settings, this basically is what is the basic idea that Facebook is trying to let you know, that you have an account where you can now manage everything relating to your business, right? So one thing you can do is anybody that you want to be able to help you manage your business. Some people are so busy, they will not probably have time to manage their page or to manage their ad account and all. You can assign access to people to help you manage your business on Facebook, anything relating to your business on Facebook, right? So one thing you can do is to click on add, right? And then you can ask people to join your business, right, by entering their email address. Facebook will now send them a notification that you are requesting access. You want to grant them access to manage your business, and all you have to do is to accept. That's if you want to manage someone else's business on Facebook, right? And there are two options at the bottom. There's the employee access and there's the admin access. Whichever you want to give the person. Admin access means they have full control over your business, while employee access means that they have a limited control over your business account. And so you want to choose which of these ones you want, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing you want to do is you can also from these business settings, you can also give people access to your page, your Facebook page. So let's click on pages. Okay, all your Facebook page that you have created before or you have access to will be shown here. So if you have a page that you want to give somebody access to, right, so you can also do that right here. So click on add, click on. From here you can, if you click on add a page, it means that you have a page in your Facebook account, but then you want to add it to this business, right? You can do that. Request access to a page means that someone else's page, you want to request for maybe access to be able to manage that page. It could be a client or so, or a friend. You can also do that here. You can create a new page here. Let's go to add accounts, right? This add account, you can add another account to this business. You can request access and I do this most times when I work for clients. Let's say I have a client that already has an ad account and I want to run ads for the person. I don't really need to, ask for the person's username and password. What I can do here is to come to my business settings and then request access to the client's ad account, and then once the person approves that access, I can run ads for the client right from my own business manager account, right? So I can also create a new ad account here. I told you guys before at the beginning of this video that the business manager account is like the umbrella that contains the ad accounts, the pages, your Instagram pages, your WhatsApp accounts, and so on and so forth, right? So once you've done this, you can also add an Instagram account to this. Okay, so you can add an Instagram account. Let's say you have already created an Instagram account for your business, and you created a business manager account right here. So what you want to do is to also add that Instagram account to your Facebook business manager account, right? So you click on this add button, click on it. Okay, they'll ask you to connect your Instagram account, and then you just need to put in the username of your Instagram account and the password, and then you would have connected your Instagram account to your Facebook business manager, right? So one thing you guys need to know about is whenever you create a Facebook business manager account, if you already have assets, I like calling these things assets, right? If you already have assets that you've created before you created the Facebook business manager account, what you want to do is to add those assets to your business manager. The point I'm trying to make is, if you already have a Facebook page before, you already have an Instagram page before, or you probably even created an ad account before, okay, now that you have created your Facebook business manager account, you want to add those assets to your Facebook business manager account so that you can use this business manager to manage all those assets. I don't know if you get, right? So another thing you want to do is to also connect your WhatsApp accounts. Click on add WhatsApp account, type in your number, they will send you an OTP to your number on WhatsApp. You just need to verify it, and you would have added your WhatsApp account right here, right? So another thing you should also know is data sources. Although this is a bit more complicated, but then the deeper you understand about Facebook ads, the more you'll be able to relate with this. There's what we call Facebook pixels, where you're running ads to a website and you put pixel to track the website visitors that come into your website. You will need a Facebook pixel. So in your business manager, you can manage all your pixels. You can even share pixels to another business. Okay, for example, I run ads for different clients, and I have more than one business manager account. Okay, so I can decide to share a pixel that I'll be using to track website visits from a particular website. I'll send those pixels, or I'll share those pixels to another business manager account. So you can do that. So you can manage custom conversions, you can manage audiences. There are so many things here, right? So there's also what we call brand safety. Now, to be able to run some certain type of ads, like conversion ads, you need to register your domain with Facebook, right? So let's click on that. You need to register your domain with Facebook. So this is my website. I've verified it with Facebook, right? So this you can basically do that here in your business settings. Okay, so like I've been saying all the while, the concept with this business manager is you want to tell Facebook, or you want to add any asset that relates to your business to one place where you can manage everything, right? So let's say my business has a website. I can add that domain here, register it to this business account, so that Facebook will recognize that, oh, this business, Wig Accessories, is the owner of these websites. Okay, and then you can also basically your email too. If you have a business email, you can add it to your business manager account. Facebook will recognize that this email is owned by this business, right? Another thing you want to do is to click on security center. You can turn on your two-factor authentication here, right? You can turn on your two-factor authentication. I believe you should know what that means, where if someone else is trying to log into your Facebook account or your Facebook business manager account, the person will have to verify an OTP code first that will be sent to your, maybe it could be your email or to your number, your phone number, before the person will get access. You can also add another admin to your Facebook business manager. Okay, and now I use these words interchangeably. They are basically the same thing. Business manager account, business manager, Facebook business account, Facebook business manager account. They are basically the same thing. So you can click on add. So let's say you want to add somebody else to also manage your Facebook business manager. You can do that right here. Okay, now one important feature of the Facebook business manager is that you can verify your business with Facebook, and they will give you access to some extra features, to use whenever you are advertising. So you can see this section here, business verification. They said to access certain Facebook products, your organization must be, your organization must be verified, right? So if we let's click on this certain Facebook products. They will show us some of the products that we'll have access to when we verify our Facebook business account, right? So some of those products include authority over conversion events, identity. You have an identity with Facebook. You register your business as a legal entity with Facebook. You have proof of access to your business, and there are so many advantages. There's what we call page transparency. It means that once you comment on any of your ads or any of your posts, there'll be a check mark that's added to your name, just the same way Instagram has this blue check that's added to your name. It will be added to your name so that somebody will know that, okay, it's the owner of this business that is replying my comment. You can also run WhatsApp ads as that link directly to WhatsApp business. So these are so many of the features that you have available to you, when you verify your business with Facebook. You can share audiences. You can create what we call offline, offline list or so, where let's say 500 people are bought from your business, right? Let's say they're bought on WhatsApp. You have their numbers and you have their email. You can create a spreadsheet of their numbers and their email, and then use it to create an audience where you will now remarket maybe your other product. That is why you need, as a business, you need to be running ads on Facebook. Okay, because if let's say you have 500 customers or 1,000 persons that have bought from you before, or 200 persons that have bought from you before, you can compile their details in a spreadsheet. Okay, use it to create an audience and then show them your other products on Facebook and on Instagram. So they could come on Instagram to come and watch a funny video or stuff, and they'll just be seeing your products and services in form of ads. And if they really got value from what they bought from you before, they can also come again and buy from you right again. So you need to verify your business with Facebook. And to verify your business, what you need is your let's check the verification process. You need to fill in these details here. What you also need is your if you have any legal document that states your business name clearly, you can use that to verify your business. If you have bank statements or you have paid taxes for your business, anything that basically recognizes or affiliates your business as a business that is registered with the government of your country, you can use that document for your verification of your business, right? And then if you click on request here, you can see people that have requested access to your pages, your ad accounts, everything. You can see that here. If you click on business info, you can put in information about your business, the name of your business, the website, everything can appear here, and how many ad accounts you can create. So this is basically the idea of a business manager account. So guys, your what I call it an assignment now is go and create a business manager account. That's if you don't have a business manager account before, go and create one. So once you create a business manager account, you also create an ad account inside that business manager account, right? In the previous video, I covered how to create another account. I hope you guys got value from this video. If you did, make sure to share, like and subscribe to this channel, right? See you guys in the next video in the Facebook ads domination series.